Good morning, Oakmont High School. This is your student bulletin for Friday, December 15th, 2023. I'm Adrian.
And I'm Jack. And it's a great day to be a Viking. Don't forget to check all items in the Lost and Found. Items not picked up at the end of finals next week will be donated. Please come check the water bottles and clothing items to see if they are yours before winter break.
What's your name?
Michaela.
Maddie.
Riley.
Christina. Dorsa.
Paulina. Sarah.
And what grade are you in?
I'm a senior.
Sophomore.
Junior.
I'm a sophomore. Also sophomore.
I'm a junior.
I'm a junior too.
What would you like for Christmas this year?
A gift card so I can go shopping with my friends.
Clothes.
I want clothes and money.
Same. I want clothes and money.
I want a golden retriever.
I want a dog.
Thank you.
Here are the student textbook return dates in the library. They will continue today the 15th, the 18th, 19th, and 20th. Hours are 7:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. and 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. Also remember that textbooks for AP and IB classes that are year-long are not returned. Here are this week's sports.
Oakmont families, coaches, and teachers, it is time for fall nominations for our Scott Ashley Letterman Jacket Scholarship. Please remember all nominations must come from an Oakmont coach or teacher no later than January 1st, 2024 to be considered. We received many nominations. If you're not chosen this round, you can apply again in the spring. Athletes interested should speak with their coaches.
Welcome back to the Dad Joke Show. It's me, Nick, back again with AJ. Today is a special episode. We have the Christmas episode.
Let's do it.
This is the last episode that's going to air before Christmas break. So
Yikes.
we get to enjoy Christmas break after this.
And then we get to decide if we want to start it back up.
Oh, that's true. That's true.
Santa says no.
Santa says no. Okay. Well,
Good thing you're only on for one
today
episode.
Santa is going to be providing us with the whipped cream. Loaded up.
Let me
It's kind of unbelievable.
Before
though.
whoever gets pied, though, let us take off the hats first.
We got to keep on the hats, dude. We got to keep these on.
All right. Well, since I lost last week, I get to go first.
Yeah.
Because. All right. What do you call snowman with abs? An abdominal snowman.
Yeah. I just found a great website to order my pig a Christmas present. It's called Amazon.
Right. What's the best evidence that Microsoft has a monopoly? Santa has switched from chimneys to windows.
What's Santa's favorite snack? Crisp Pringles.
What motorcycle does Santa ride? A Harley Davidson.
Why didn't Santa deliver presents to his lawyer?
Why?
Because there was a clause in his contract.
What do you call an elf wearing earmuffs? Anything you want, he can't hear you.
Why didn't Santa's son want to take over the family business?
Why?
Because he was a rebel without a clause.
Valid. Why did Santa's helpers start going to therapy? They had low self-esteem.
What's a linebacker's favorite reindeer?
What?
Blitzen.
See, I'm not a football guy, so that one
Okay, well,
went over my head.
That's
Too
all right.
stupid for
It's
that
okay.
one.
Maybe your hat might have caught it.
Damn. What happened to the man who stole the advent calendar? He got 25 days.
What do you call it when a polar bear moons you?
What?
A polar eclipse.
No.
Yeah, good job.
Oh my god.
Oh, that was fun. That was so good. There's still whipped cream left. Ooh.
That was just on my face.
Oh, that's true. Ugh. Anyway,
Had my face taste.
thank you guys for watching this episode of the Dad Joke Show. Make sure to join us, hopefully, when we get back from the break. And we'll see you then.
Have a Merry Christmas, guys.
Well, that's all for today's bulletin. Thanks for watching. I'm Adrian.
And I'm Jack.
Have a great day.